The next really useful thing you can do with Codex that's not programming is connect it to external services like Gmail. So if you go to the plugins tab up here, you'll see a bunch of external services you can connect Codex to. There are lots of them. And if you search, you can find Gmail. I've already connected mine. And then you do $ and start typing and you'll find Gmail. And I'm gonna say, find me the most 3 recent promotions in my promos folder. And it's pretty cool. I think you might have seen here, I just typed click to dictate. It's really nice. You can talk to Codex. And once that's finished, I'm gonna pick one to unsubscribe from. So Codex here is, you can give it permissions to either read or write to email. In this case, I'm gonna have it, I'm gonna tell it to unsubscribe. Codex here is not using my browser, it's just literally reading my emails using the Gmail API. And it found the unsubscribe link. I think it's gonna click it and then it might open a page for me. Okay, I guess it needed me to type in my email on this form, but it's doing all this in the background. It's writing some code, bunch of stuff, but you don't have to look at that. And cool, we're unsubscribed.